What we have here now is a 1 shekel. It is from 1 shekel from Israel, and it is one of their old money. For those who doesn't have any idea, Israel was founded after the war, World War II, in 1948, and this money was released here. It is 1958, but here I can read it in Hebrew. They call this not don't know, this is not a shekel. This is called lirot Israelit achad. So this is not a shekel. Their first money is lira. They call it lirot Israelit achad, 1 Israeli lira. And in the reverse, we can see here Bank Israel. And it is hard to read here, but I can read it as Shalom Israel. It is Peace Israel. And down here there is an Arabic inscription. It is 1. They say their first money, because we can see here on the serial numbers, it is still in number 5. And here, Bank of Israel. Okay. Thank you for watching.